Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steering with Ahmed 007. So today we are going to show you how to reverse a car from the right side into steel drums. During your test, when reversing to the right, make sure to stop in between the two drums before starting. Now, let's dive into the technique you can use to nail this maneuver. Let's get started. When reversing from the right side, the first step is to put your gear into reverse and move back slowly. Keep your movement steady and controlled to maintain accuracy. Now, as you are reversing, watch carefully. You need to see drum number 2 and drum number 4 99 visible in your side mirror. However, this might vary slightly depending on your car. For some cars, you will need to align drum number 4 in between drums 2 and 3, as shown in the image. Once you got the alignment right, turn your steering wheel fully to the right and reverse slowly. Keep going until you see the perfect middle space. When you see the middle space, stop. If you're having trouble finding the perfect middle space, don't worry. I have already made a detailed video about this. The link will be mentioned in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Now, straighten your steering wheel and continue reversing slowly. Watch for when your door handle is opposite or about 1 foot away from the first drum. At this point, turn your steering wheel fully to the right again and move back into the space between the 8 drums. When you are in the middle of the space, stop once more. Straighten your steering wheel and reverse back slowly to complete the maneuver. By following these steps carefully, you'll ensure a clean and precise reverse every time.
Okay, go back again. Keep drum number 4 with the drum number 2 99. You see that? When I tell you stop, stop, stop. Like that, see? That one, the yellow one with the white one, it should be like this. Then you can turn to the right. Keep going. Keep going, brother. So here you have to be careful. Okay, you have to keep middle space between first drum. That's it. There. And then steering straight. Good. So be careful also here. Baby, I am coming. Stop. Until here you stop. Okay, full right. Then when the both side is straight, you will stop directly. Stop. So from there straight, no?
Yeah. I'm checking here also.
You're steering straight? Are you sure? Yeah, make sure you're steering. That's it. Good. And then keep going. Good. You can do it step by step. Don't be rushed.